In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share workspace in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to invite teammates to your workspace, plus a few tips to keep everything secure and organized. First, open ClickUp and head to the overview area. From there, look for your team space and then open My Workspace. This puts you on the workspace overview, so you're sure you're sharing the right place. If you work across multiple workspaces, double check the workspace name in the header to avoid inviting people to the wrong one. Next, select My Workspace to bring its controls into focus. You should see the workspace header bar and, depending on your layout, a gear icon or a menu where settings live. If you don't see settings, you might not have permission to manage people. In that case, you'll need someone with admin access to follow these steps. Open Settings. Inside the Settings panel, find and open the People section. This is the hub for managing your members and guests. You'll be able to see who already has access, what roles they have, and whether there are any pending invitations. Now choose Invite People. This opens the invite dialog. Here's where you decide who you're bringing in and what they can do. Enter the email addresses of your teammates, and if available in your plan, choose whether they should join as members or guests. Members typically get broader access across the workspace, while guests are great for contractors or clients who only need access to specific items. If you see options to assign them to particular spaces or give default permissions, set those now so people land in the right place with the right level of access. A short welcome note can help them know what to expect and where to start once they join. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. ClickUp will email your recipients a link to join. You should see their status appear as pending in the People section until they accept. If someone can't find the email, ask them to check their spam folder or resend the invite from the same People page. If your organization restricts external emails, make sure the domain is allowed so the invite can be delivered. That's it. You navigated to your workspace overview, opened settings, went to People, used Invite People to add teammates with the right roles, and sent the invites. Once they accept, you can always return to the People section to adjust roles, manage access, or remove someone if needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more collaborative ClickUp workspace.